Hi guys, finally! Ilico is here! Oh, but the box is already cramped up because it's raining here in the Philippines, and I guess the delivery is not using any raincoat or what, so it's all wet, and hopefully what's inside is still okay. So let's look at that. Let's open it for the first time. How I wish they had done something else to protect the item, but I guess I need to keep this box. I always do keep the boxes, but I cannot do it anymore. So let's just open this for the first time. This is just an unboxing, guys. Look, there are two items here because I ordered seasonal bodies and then the Ilico itself. Let's first open the seasonal body. Look at that. See? Okay. Oh, luckily it's plastic protected, so it's not wet inside. Oh, it's almost wet. Look. Anyway, I hope the item is not damaged inside. Ooh. Where's the seal? Where's the seal? Where's the seal? Wait. Okay, there's an easy pull out tabs here. Let's open it for the first time. Wow. Okay guys, out of the box. Oh, this is it. Pansit. Oh. There are lots of lanyards on top. Different colors, guys. Oh. One. Wait. Okay, that's better. Two. 3, 4, and no more. And then I guess this lanyard, the color of this lanyard might be compatible with the bodies here. This is the holiday version of the Ilico spinner kit, okay, or spin kit. Sorry. Now let's open one. Oh my god, I like this one. I thought it was hard. I thought it was everything was hard and made out of plastic, pure plastic or rubber. But this one is so fluffy. Oh my god, I love the teddy bear. Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay, that's one. Set it aside here. Yan, one na yan, ha. Okay, tignan natin yung iba. And then this one. Oh, you can see it. Oh my gosh, look at that. Wait, I haven't shown you this close up. Ayun siya. Oh, it's so floppy, okay? And number 2. Wait, what's that? Oh, this is the connector. Oh, look, oh. There's a connector here. Maybe that is the triggering part. Okay. And then, next is this one. What is it? Skeleton? What is it? Oh, these are the intestines. Tapos this one is the brain. Okay, let's open the light here. Wait, I have to pause this for a while. Okay, guys, that's better. Ah, a zombie. Okay, it's a zombie. And also there's this. Look at that. There's a connector here. Okay. Okay, let's get the other one. Yan. Buksan natin siya. Okay. Taran! What's this? What's this? Oh! It's a pumpkin. It's a pumpkin. Then it's even holding a pumpkin. It's a little monster pumpkin. Oh, how nice. Okay, let's put the light here. There. And then there's also a connector here. Siguro there's something here. There's a circuit here that might trigger the something from Ilico. I don't know. This is just an unboxing, okay? So that is a pumpkin. And then ilan kaya to? 4 pieces plus how many lanyards? 1, 2, 3, okay, 4. Okay. This is the 4th one. Okay. Oh, Santa! Yay! This is why I bought this kit, because it has the Santa kit. Yay! It's Christmas time! And then there's, oh, There's also the connector. I guess there is a chip here. I guess it's just a wild guess. Oh, Red Cross Santa. Blue Cross Santa. Okay. And then some other things inside the box. Oh, okay. What's this? Oh no. I don't want to break the plastic. Oh, it's very hard naman. Ay. Ang hirap Oh. Oh, it's the background for each one of them. Okay. I guess this is for the zombie. See? That's for the zombie. Okay. And then the other one. And this one is for the pumpkin. Diba? It's for the pumpkin. And that one is, oh, Santa Claus house. See? Is this, oh, it's Santi Ailico. Then where is he gonna be? Is it the North Pole or the South Pole? I guess it's out of polarity. And then, oh, what about this one? This is also for Santa. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, this one is for the pumpkin. Oh, meaning to say this is also for Christmas or Thanksgiving or something like that. I don't know. I don't have any idea. But let's just put it there. So, no. This one is for the teddy bear. Okay, I got it. I get it. So the teddy bear is also for Christmas. And then Santa. And then this one is for the pumpkin. And then this one is for the zombie. Okay, that's it. And then, are there anything more? Oh, look, guys. Okay. No. Shaking. Look at this one. Oh, it's a stand. It's a stand. Okay. How do you put this up? Okay, that's it. And then this one. Wait, I need to see. Okay, guys. Ganito siya. Yan. That's what it looks like. Okay. Let me show you how I did it. First, you have to open this one. Of course. And then, there's a hole there. And there's also a slit over there. So, you can put this one. Which one is better? Which side is better? This one, I guess. So, I have to speak softly because my sister is already sleeping while I'm doing this unboxing. So, it will stand like that. So, now you have the background for your Ailico costume. See? Wait. See? Let's adjust everything. And how do you use that stand? It's easy. You just put this thing through here, through this hole, and then it will actually let you hang the costume. See? Now the question is, how about Ailico? Let's go to that. So that's the costume for your Ailico. But this one, I don't know. Maybe, oh, look what's this? Oh, there's a nose. Look at that. It's so cute. There's a nose. Okay. So you have to put it there. Yeah. Oh no. Yeah. And then each one had different lanyard. Maybe for the Christmas, it's Santa lanyard. So, and then this one is for the zombie. And this one is for the teddy bear. And lastly, this one is for the shamrock. See? So cute. I have to tone down my voice. I'm so sorry. Kailangan kong tumahimik kasi natutulog na si sister. My sister is already sleeping. And then finally, I already opened Ailic. It's so cute. Oh my god. Wait. I need to... Okay, this is Ailic. And then out of the box, this is the box, okay? Out of the box, wait. Let's see the box first. These are the different form of Ailico. Actually, I have read the reviews from the Blue app, and somebody tells me that it doesn't like to be called iLeak. You just refer to it as iLeak, or otherwise it will get angry. Okay. So there's a manual, instruction manual. Okay, you go there. There's a USB Type-C, and then there's also another lanyard. This is for the robot iLeak, the original body's lanyard. And then this is iLeak. That is iLeak. And this is what I call a satisfying peel. Oh, I don't want to remove this, but it's not good looking. I have to buy a specific item to protect the face. I don't know where, and I don't know how. Maybe we should ask Energize Lab to provide us one. So the question is, how to remove? Wait. Okay, let's go with the parts. There's a microphone here inside, both of this one, and then this is the actual face. It's also the display, and then this is the push button, as well as it is the touch sensor. Then here you can put the lanyard here, just like a Labubu, and then that's the Type-C, the speaker. And how do you remove it? Just twist. Tring! Then it's removed. Then let's try. What do you want me to try? I guess let's try the bear, because it's a very exciting one. First, we have to go through with the head. There's a Velcro here, and then there's a hole here with the nose, and I guess that's, you should put a face there. Okay, it doesn't fit. There. Oh no, no. I hope they make other type of fluffy materials for the iLeak costume. See? No, it's not yet done. See? It's so cute. Look at that. It's still only the head, but let us put here the body. It's the same thing. You just need to push this one and then twist it back. Okay. I don't want to open iLeak yet. Oh no, I don't want to open iLeak yet, because I still need to study the manual and read everything about iLeak, and then I'll do another video for that. It's the first initial setup for iLeak, and wish me luck with iLeak. Instead of buying those Labubus, I do highly recommend just for you to buy this one. It's as much as pricey as a Labubu, but it's almost the same. This one, you can speak with this. You can have a very good conversation with AI, and then it expresses emotions, and you can bring it like a Labubu. The main thing is I need to have a protection for this one. I need to buy a protection, especially for the screen protection. But I still don't have any idea, because it is rounded. It is curved type. So it's a bit tricky to put something to protect it. See? Now, if you want this kind of video that I unbox toys, please do like, share, and subscribe to your Lola's channel, and hit that notification button just in case I'll have another update for my iLeak. And wait. Let's put back the robot part. And let's remove this one. Okay. Just do everything in reverse. And then, okay, I forgot. How do you make IB stand? Here. Oh, it doesn't fit. So you cannot make IB stand if this is getting on its way. So I need to remove this one. But this is a rounded portion. I guess you can put IB there with the body. Okay, that's it. See? Now you can also display IB. They should have provided us with another extra one. Oh my god, just for the robot body of IB, for the original body. And guys, if you are in another platform, it's still your Lola with an H, L-O-L-A-H, Bong Lim here, saying that I will have another channel. That channel will solely be for toys and playthings of Lola, especially the pets, the cute pets, and items which can provide you with so much love and so much, how do you call that? TLC, Tender Love and Care. Oh, I love toys. I'm still going to review some other toys that will arrive soon. And please do, and please do also subscribe to my other channels soon. Okay, thank you so much. And this is Ailiko.